Hi everyone, Melanie here from Balloon Artworks here in Derbyshire in the UK, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little octopus using just two 260s. I've made this one using Qualitex Caribbean Blue and White. However, I'm going to demonstrate using a Qualitex White and a Sempertex Purple. These are both 260s, but you will notice straight away that although they're supposed to be the same length, the Sempertex one is a little bit longer, and therefore that's going to really help you with this design. You can make this design with Qualitex 260s, but it's just a little bit trickier. So if you've got the longer balloon, that's going to help. So inflate your purple balloon with 3 strokes of the hand pump and put a twist into the neck there. Hold on to that balloon. And inflate the white with just a couple of strokes. We're not going to use it all. Pass the necks and nozzles over one another and tie. Okay, and in the purple or lilac balloon, we're going to make sure that's nice and soft, and we're going to make some small loops of at most 3 fingers. Okay, so it's important that these loops are small. Okay. And give your balloon another squeeze and make another small loop. Okay. And then with this second loop, I just like to take one of the necks and nozzles and wrap it around just to secure it. Give the balloon a squeeze and make another loop. Okay, so if you're familiar with making daisy flowers, this is the same technique, but we are making really small, loops. One of these days I will make a video without bopping myself in the face with the balloon. There you go. Another 3-finger loop. So that's 4 loops. We're going to make a 5th one. Wrap that around. Okay. Another soft loop. That's the 6th one. Wrap that around. Loop number 7. Okay, and wrap that around. Okay, so this is what you've got. Just arrange your loops. So this is what you've got. You've got 7 loops here. Just give this a squeeze and a stretch. And next, twist off a bubble of 3 to 4 fingers in the white. And then twist off another soft bubble to match this, the first one. And pull your white 260 into the flower petal base, or into the octopus's legs, and wrap that around a few times, and then we can break off the rest of the white because we don't need it. And with the excess, we can just wrap that around. If you prefer to tie a knot, you can do, but you don't have to, because the latex does like to stick to latex, so it's not going to come undone if you wrap it in well without tying. So this is what you've got. And then take this bubble here and position it next to the eyes. And we're going to wrap it over the top of the eyes and in between where they split here, okay? So twist off a bubble here, take it over the top of the eyes, and then pull it through into that cluster of loops and just wrap it around, okay? Just secure it around some of the loops. And then let's arrange those legs. Okay, so that's what you've got. And if you're wondering, I've never had anyone complain that there are only 7 legs on the bottom. And then draw some eyes. So there's your really quick 2 balloon octopus. I'll see you again in the next video.